Kolkata hukte buhuk song no joto no lamsogo haino haiti feke nong ni bagai ketal job notification ita hukte buhuk song hangke o job notification nong khama jaga bo tam tam tong sabo sabo apply khlaina thang tini tam tam nang faidi o video wasung kaham ke saimalani ita hukte buhuk song name of the post hangke financial advisor branch executive project coordinator marketing executive job location hangke ta nora oro nugui na tongkhana Agartala Tripura no norok job no khlaimanai Dharmanagar Tripura for branch executive inta khote buktong Dharmanagar Tripura o hangkangke branch executive ni job bo talangjagoi tongo salary hingkangke 20,000 simi 25,000 taka jora norok per month salary manai education qualification kok sana thangke to 12 pass haike ba graduation pass khaike no o jaga o norok o job ni bagi apply khlaimano required skill hingke having skill in the relevant field will be given preference ita khote buksong je job ni bagi talangmani a job no haike ba a field do norok skill haike ba knowledge tongna nangnai kisamisam benefits hingke tam tam manai provident fund tongo health insurance bo norok a jaga o benefit manui mano selection process hingke selections will be based on interview and documentation ita khote buksong kuno porikha sarano kuno porikha rona nangyao nya norok o job ni bagi interview bai no norok o job no aram kheno manui mano apply mode hingke online norok apply ma khlainai application fee hingke kuno fee sarano norok rang khoksa rona nangyao nya norok o job no apply khlai mano bahake apply khlaina hingke interested haikaba eligible candidate are requested to apply online by filling up the required details such as educational qualification address skill and experience details and biodata format eta khote bukjong biodata norok sanamui nai norok ajagao submit ma khlainai important links nong no discretionary link ri no norok link ko thangai nai click khai norok direct no apply khlaimano je job no chajakmani haikeba je post no chajakmani norok post to thangai nai apply khlaini mano branch executive job description hingke tam tam tong to ensure branch opening and closing timing to be follow every visit clients should be attended properly in the branch and queries should be resolved. Gai 3 number tong to ensure all branch MIS will be prepared and saved in computer ensuring data security. 4 number tong all clients documents should be uploaded saved properly in computer and physically filling should be kept in branch ita khote bukjang norok aro saino makhana tam tam norok ni samung tongnai financial advisor job description hingke leading company in hiring ita khote bukjang company no lead khaina nangnai tai hiring bo khaina nangnai ngonoro oro discussion link ri tongo norok link ko thangai nai kahamke details rok nainai o job no norok khlaina musung hingke fill up khainai apply clarity financial advisor ni link body night job type hingke full time haikeba norok part time phano khlaimano freshers haikeba freelancer ni hoite phano norok o job no khlaimano contact length hingke 24 month ni bagai borok contract puila contract haikenai apre norok no extend khaijaknai salary hingke 25,500 ni simi 50,500 taka jora norok per month salary maname benefits tam tam hingke flexible schedule bo manai norok health insurance bo manai provident fund bo norok no rwjangnai supplemental pay types hingke performance bonus bo tongo tei early bonus bo tongo performance norok ni je performance khaimani norok kaham performance khaikhe kaham performance ni bonus bo tongo haikeba yearly bonus bo norok kaham keno oro salary tongo gai tini ni bagai asana situng takte bukhukjang norok no jotono hambai।